Gentlemen, bring it down. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the latest couple here. Please, how long have you been married? Jesus Christ. Wait, hold on. Is that how many years? 15 years. Oh my God. That is occasion there. You see people waiting on that. When I go call and give them counsel. When I saw tell them how to live for 15 years. And you're happily married like this. Oh my God. Put your hands together for them once again. Are your children here? Please, how many of them? 3 of them. Please, let them come out. Come on, let's see them. All right. Just the 3 of them. I just want to hear that as a protocol. All right, couples in the back, are you ready? All right, go back, thank you. Just hold on. So, DJ, hold on. We're going to